What if you had just one single image of a character, and from that single image, you could generate multiple scenes, different poses, different locations, different moods, all while keeping the character's face and identity exactly the same. That is the real power of AI image generation. But here's the challenge. Most of the time, AI changes faces. One moment the character looks perfect, and the very next moment, it looks like a completely different person. In this video, I'll show you the exact process to generate consistent characters with AI images. By the end, you will know how to take one image and expand it into an entire story, with the same face showing up every single time. So make sure you stay till the end because this is going to change the way you use AI. A while back, I started experimenting with AI generated visuals. My goal was simple. I wanted to create a series of images, almost like promotional posters for a web series, and for that, I needed one consistent lead character. At first, it felt like I was getting there. The first image came out really well, and the character looked exactly what I had imagined her. But then came the problem. When I tried to create the second image, the face looked completely different. Her features had changed, the hairstyle wasn't the same, the smile was off, it no longer looked like the same person, and I realized without consistency, the whole project just falls apart. You can't build a story if your main character keeps changing. Let me give you a clear example. Imagine we are designing a female character named Maya. In the first image, Maya has a long black hair, almond shaped eyes, and a confident smile. She looks strong, expressive, and exactly how we imagined her. Now we try to place Maya in another scene, maybe sitting in a cafe or walking in a park, but the AI doesn't give us the same Maya. Her face shape changes, her smile looks different, and sometimes the hairstyle even disappears. This is the biggest issue people face with AI generated images, the lack of character consistency. After a lot of testing, I realized something important. Consistency is not random. It's not about just typing a new prompt and hoping it works. It's about using the right method, a process that locks your character's identity and makes sure the AI remembers it. And once I figured out this process, everything changed. I could take Maya, place her in completely new scenes, and no matter what I tried, she still looked the same Maya. Same face, same personality, just in different situations. Let me break down the process step by step so you can do this yourself. So, step 1 is start with a strong reference image. This is your base. It can be an AI generated picture you really like, or even a photo you upload. But it needs to clearly define your character's look, the hairstyle, the facial structure, and the overall vibe. Next step is write a detailed description. Don't keep it vague. Instead of just writing a woman smiling, describe everything. For example, a young woman with long black hair, almond shaped eyes, a confident smile, wearing a modern casual outfit. The more details you provide, the more consistent your result will be. Step 3. Use reference based prompting. Most AI tools allow you to upload an image along with your text description. The combination is powerful. The reference image tells the AI this is the face, while the description tells this is the context. Together they keep the identity locked while letting you change the same. Next comes test across different settings. Generate your characters in multiple scenarios, indoors, outdoors, at a workplace, at a park. If your prompts are strong and your reference image is good, you'll notice the face remain consistent across all those different scenes. Last is refine and repeat. Sometimes the AI might still drift slightly. That's normal. If the face isn't perfect, go back, adjust your description, and try again. Once you find the right balance, you'll be able to repeat the process smoothly every single time. Before concluding the video, let us see a practical example of how we can generate consistent images of a single character. For this, we need a base character first. I will search ChatGPT. In the new chat, I will type I want to generate an avatar of a beautiful lady in Indian style. Realistic. Give me a prompt to generate this image. Now let's copy this prompt. Open new tab. I'll search Gemini. I'll paste the prompt here and I'll click on submit. Our image is generated. You can download the base image. Come back to ChatGPT. I'll paste the prompt and type for the same character. I need 3 different scene variation. Outfit and scene variations. Give me 3 different individual prompts. I'll copy this. I'll search whisk. Click on the second link flow. Click on launch whisk. Click on enter tool. Open the side panel. In the upload section, upload the reference image. In the meantime, copy this prompt, paste. You can change the seed value. I'll keep it 5000. Our reference image is successfully uploaded. I'll click on submit. I click on download. I will ask ChatGPT to give different variations with different outfits. Give me prompts for modern outfits for long shots. I'll copy this prompt. I will paste and I'll click on generate. Click on download. I will ask for medium shot. I'll use another prompt. You can download this image. Once the images are generated, we can compare them all. The face has been mostly consistent in all the images. And once you know this method, the opportunities are endless. You could design characters for posters, storyboards, children's books, social media content, and even create your own AI-driven photo stories. The best part is you are not limited anymore. Instead of random faces, you now have a character that feels real, one you can bring back again and again. So the next time you get frustrated with AI giving you random faces, remember this process. Start with a strong reference image, write a detailed description, combine both in your prompt, test across different scenes, and keep refining until you lock your character's identity. Try this out with your own character and you'll see how powerful it is. This is not the only way how AI is useful. You have different numerous ways how AI can help you in different ways. So if you're interested in learning how you can do different things with AI, you should definitely check out this playlist.